January 29th. January the 29th, 2019, day before my birthday. I'm in Delray Beach, watching the sunrise. I usually walk from Atlantic Ocean, from Atlantic Avenue. I walk down to George Bush Boulevard, which is probably a little more than a mile. Maybe a little more than a mile. I haven't walked on the beach in a while, and sometimes the sand can be hard. Well, it's good for your feet. It exfoliates, so it helps take the dead skin off when you're walking. Hey, can I get one of y'all to snap a shot for me? You take a picture for me?
Absolutely.
All right, I mean, I'm from Detroit, you know what I'm saying?
Live for moments like this.
Yes, and this is free, man. Don't even cost nothing. Just at the top of there's a camera at the top corner.
Okay, I got you.
Take your things out of your ears. It's better without them.
Okay, yeah, is it too much
Put it in your pocket. Don't leave them hanging.
Yeah, is it too much of a glare?
Well, we'll take a few.
Okay.
I tried to do a couple off to the side a bit.
So the sun don't kill you right away.
Now take your sweatshirt off so it doesn't look cold, right?
Yeah.
Now you got it. Like, they don't have to know you're freezing your nuts off.
This is my production manager.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up.
Now look happy, like it's warm out.
Right. I'm from Detroit. I flew in yesterday. My birthday is actually tomorrow.
Hey,
birthday,
happy
brother.
birthday.
Yeah,
Just give me a smile.
48, so we're all the same age.
Give me how old?
48.
Yeah, we're the same age.
Yeah.
I got shoes that are 41.
1971.
I got ties that are older than you.
Ready?
Yeah.
Smile like you're happy to be here.
I'm from Detroit. Man.
We don't smile
fuck
in
in
You don't
Detroit?
smile in Detroit.
In Brooklyn, man. They
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
they
from
do.
Brooklyn.
When we're standing over people, motherfucker.
Life is good.
Life's really good. Now hurry up, put your sweatshirt on. You're gonna catch a cold.
Oh, man, I'm good. I ain't even worried about it, man. You don't get a cold from the cold.
See how they are. I'll take as many as you want.
All right.
What's
I
your
gotta
name?
run.
Carter.
Here.
I'm Carter.
Carter.
You staying or no?
The pleasure's mine, man. Y'all have a beautiful day.
You too.
Take care of each other. Green Owl has the best breakfast, man.
I know.
Yeah, they do.
All right, I'll see
He
y'all.
carries cash, so he always minds.
That's what's up. They take the jacket off so you don't look cold. It's actually 51's not bad. Well, it says 51, but we can check and see what the temperature is. I don't think it's 51. And I can't tell if it's upside down or right side up now. I think this is right side up, but because I'm not sure, I gotta start this video over.